Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. My name is Peter Vox. I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia in 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. We give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week, and we also offer the ultimate online singing course. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you get reminded when we get new content. If you have a comment, please put it in the comments below or a question. I read all of the comments, and if you have a fantastic question, I will answer it. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question. The next question is, what is the difference between chest voice, middle voice or true voice, falsetto and head voice? Now, I've been teaching for nearly 3 decades, and particularly a lot of students come in and ask me the difference between these voices, because a lot of them have been confused by other teachers, particularly calling head voice falsetto and vice versa. Now, this is incorrect. Head voice isn't falsetto, okay? So falsetto is actually an Italian word which means falsetting voice, okay? So it means the voice is sounding false. But let me go through it from the very start so that I can clearly explain to you the difference between chest, middle and true voice, falsetto and head voice, so you clearly know what they are when you're singing in them. So I'm just going to start down very low here. We're going to go for the males, and this applies to females as well too. So when you're singing in the lower part of your range, whether you're a male or a female, you should feel your voice and your chest vibrate down here. So you should feel resonance. I'm tapping my chest so you can hear the resonance that's in my chest. So when I'm singing down here, wise men say, I've got that chesty sound. My chest is vibrating and resonating a lot when I'm singing down that low. So that's chest voice. So when you're going down low and you feel your chest resonate and vibrate, males and females, you are in chest register. Now, as you're singing up through your range, pardon me. So as I'm going, you can hear the timbre of my voice change. Now, the resonance is mainly happening around here now. So this is predominantly called middle or true voice. Now, this is where most contemporary singing is done. So it will vibrate a lot around here and less through the chest, because your larynx is placed right here. Your voice box is here. If we're singing in around the middle register, or what we call the sweet spot of your voice where you sound the best, it will mainly be vibrating around here. Now, wise men say only fools. So you can hear that the register has changed. It's not wise men say. I haven't got that chesty sound. I was singing in what we call middle or true voice. As I said, this is where most contemporary singing is done. It's the sweet spot where everyone sort of sounds the best. Now, let's jump to falsetto. Now, falsetto means false voice. So it's like this. I'm now speaking in my false voice. I'm now speaking in my true voice, okay? So, this is falsetto. The two pleases here will be falsetto. Won't you please, please help me? You can clearly hear everything else was middle voice except the two pleases that were going up into falsetto. So that's falsetto voice. Photographed by Ed Sheeran. So you can keep me. That whole chorus is all in falsetto. So if you can go and listen to that, that whole chorus is in falsetto. He's singing it all in falsetto. So that's falsetto. Now, head voice is a lighter, airier, weaker version of your true voice, okay? So it's not falsetto. The classic version of head voice that everyone has probably heard is the start of My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion, where she's singing, every night in my dreams. So it's head voice. It's a lighter, airier, weaker version of your true voice. Falsetto is every night in my dreams. You can hear it's false. And head voice is every night in my dreams. And middle and true voice is every night in my dreams. You can clearly hear the difference. So I'm going to go through it again. Head voice. Every night in my dreams. A lighter, airier, weaker version of the true voice. Falsetto. Every night in my dreams. You can clearly hear it's in false voice. And middle voice. Every night in my dreams. It's here in a solid true voice. Sam Smith likes to sing a lot in head voice. Yes, I do, I believe. Okay, so he's really brought it back nearly into vogue, Sam Smith. So there is a clear, defined definition of chest voice, middle voice, false voice, and head voice. Hope that explains it. If you like this channel, click like and subscribe. Click the little bell icon that keeps you up with updates. If you have a question or comment, put it in the comments below. If we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, check out the links below. We have numerous studios with male and female teachers here in Melbourne. We give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. We also offer the ultimate online singing course, but most importantly, be good to everyone. Live each day as if it's your last. Live with passion. Until the next video, peace and much, much love. Bye-bye. Bye.